What up? What up? Still a little sick, so we're gonna try to, I don't know, do something today. Try to do something. Probably end up just talking for a bit and hanging out and kind of, I don't know, just have a conversation, I guess. As you all know, I've had pneumonia for the past week. I went to the doctor's Sunday and they prescribed me some antibiotics as well as an inhaler with other things. And if you also didn't know, my daughter got it as well. So we've just been at home sick, trying to rest as much as possible. But don't worry, the game is still in the works. We're still working on the game. But for the time being, it is not my primary objective. My primary objective for the current moment is healing. You better though? Yeah, I'm better. Raleigh, we missed you. Mostly me though. Yeah, I know, man. You're the only. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better, man. I'm just I'm no longer throwing up anything, thanks to the medicine they gave me. But I'm still feeling a little woozy. Still getting the cold sweats, which I hate because it typically comes with nausea. But we'll see how things go. I've been trying to work on the devlog here and there, and I'll be real with you because I'm so sick and we need to get a devlog out. It might just be a really quick devlog, just kind of going over like the touch input, going over the progress bar, the prowl stance. Last time we were on, it looks like we tried to get a collision object type. But how you been, Chase? How you been, man? Sorry if I'm not talking directly to people too much. I'm kind of out of practice, low key. I'm a sick boy. I'm a sick lad. I'm alive. I know you all must be so disappointed. By the way, what's up, Owl? How's it going? I've been fine. That's good to hear. I'm hungry. Dude, why don't you just go make yourself a waffle or something, man? Who cares about Greg's? I swear, dude, that's the only thing you eat, bro. Greg's. Oh, yeah, so last time we were on, we tried to get the collision type or the object type of the collision because essentially that's kind of the tag. But it looks like we're going to have to start adding tags to objects here, so we can start writing logic for I'm trying to think. Chase probably eats cats. Dude, Chase totally eats dogs too, man. Like all day. And you can't forget he also eats owls. I don't know how I don't know if you can you eat an owl? I think you might die. Can you eat owls? Oh, it's illegal. It's even illegal to be in possession of an owl feather. That is crazy. What are like owls in danger? Eat the oats, don't eat me. That's true. Oats do taste better. Are owls endangered? They were classified as endangered, but that was just the forest owlet. Why can't you eat owls? That's probably why. I mean, look at this thing. Kind of probably most likely tastes weird too. Oh, it's more owl pet friendly. So you can have owl pets in Japan. That's actually pretty cool. They look evil. Yeah, they do kind of low key. Hold up. Owl. Let's look at an owl. Look at that face, dude. Does that face look like the face of something angry? This does, though. That scares the crap out of me. Get out of here, dude. I don't want that one. I want this one in my house. I'll keep this one, dude. This guy's handsome. Look at him. He's got like this little. He's got like this wise face. Yeah, and look at him. Look at him. I just want to grab his little feather ears and pet him. These owls, though, these owls scare the crap out of me. Look at this guy. He's like, "Bah." He's like me every morning when I wake up with this pneumonia. Dude, I was so sad when I found out I was pneumonia. You guys should have been there too, because I told the guy, I was like, I think I have pneumonia. So they do all these tests on me, and but beforehand he's like, yeah, you got the flu. He's like, that's what I think you have. You have the flu. We do the test, and then he comes back and he's like, so it looks like you have pneumonia. But the way he said it, he was like so subtle. That was right. Yummy. Pneumonia. Pneumonia is not yummy. I literally couldn't leave my bed for a week, chat. It's week 2, and I'm finally able to move around, like limp around. It was horrible. It was a horrible, horrible experience with the disease. Have any of you ever had pneumonia? But that's kind of like the side point. On another note here, I'm trying to think. So when we hit one of these guys, you don't like pneumonia? That sounds, the way you spell it makes it sound like a country. We gotta find a way to make these things breakable, which will be easy once we can figure out how to dictate like when the player's hitting like hitting a tree or he's hitting a enemy, right? There's got to be some way to figure that out. What that way is, I don't know. Originally, we tried to get the E-collision channel to get like the collision object type, because then we can essentially say like, yo, is the object type a type of, let's look here, like on the box component, it has in the collision, yep, collision presets, it is on custom, but if you look, the object type is a resource, right? Go get collision object type. It is an enum. Can I just print this enum? I can print the enum. Where did I print that enum at? Last time, guys. When did I print the enum and where? Where was it? Do you remember? Player tilt input. This is not what we need. BPs? BPs. You always want me to do BPs, bro. Booty poop. That's what BP stands for. Shoot. We'll ask Chad GPT. Chad GPT, help me. How to print out an enum or a U enum C++ UE5. I'll be real with you though. It does feel better to be back on the computer and programming a little bit. Wow. That's a lot more complicated than it was last time. Why would I remember code? Because you're an owl and you're supposed to be wise and have a lot of knowledge and remember everything? Unless you're telling me you're not an owl. You're just really a bird that looks like an owl. It's like, take that back. I do not cow. He's an owl. Come on, show me that knowledge base. Where did I put the code? Where did I put it? We don't have any music on, so it feels a little weird in here, not gonna lie. Feels a little too silent for my liking. We're gonna go to we can do PokeWave. But, you know, right after this short message.
Web hosting technology.
This guy just cursed on my family-friendly stream. Did you guys hear that? He just cursed Avezd. Alice, dude, Alice is so smart. One time they told me what 2 + 3 was. That's pretty intelligent. That's an intelligent life force right there, okay? Music is too loud for... That's how you know you get old, when you're like, man, that music's too loud. I used to bump music, boys. Wait. That's not it. That is a line trace. One day I'm gonna find it and be like, that's where it was. That's what it was. That's way easier. Can I swear? No. I know you just turned 15 and you're starting to feel like an adult, Chase, but come on, man. You don't need to curse, dude. Yo, what's up, Snas? Welcome to the stream, my friend. How are you doing this fine Thursday morning? It's 10:21. You gotta forgive me. I still got pneumonia. I thought it was Friday today, dude. Thought it was Friday. I'm not living a good one for the past week and a half, dog. I've been 15 for ages, Raleigh. Dude, you just turned 15 like 15 days ago. He's never happy with me. He's always upset. He's always mad. I'm always breaking his heart. I can't even be sick. Chilling. How are y'all? I'm doing great, man. Well, not great, but you know, better than dead. Better than dead. I'll say that much. Right now, I'm just trying to find how I printed out an enum. And I remember I didn't delete it because I was like, whoa, that's easy. That is easy to do. So I didn't delete it. I heard you've been sick. How's everything now? I'm on antibiotics, so they're better. A lot better. I'll say that much. Here it is. Here it is, boys. Right there's. Right there's. Yeah, I feel a whole lot better. But I still feel like a little fatigued, a little weak. And I was like, I remember I was like, why am I so fatigued? Like it hurts to do anything. I get up, I move. I felt like a little old man, man. Glad to hear. Thank you. How's your game coming along, huh? How's your game coming along, there, mister? So now we gotta print said get display name, text, by value, send it cast, my current state. In here, I believe I can just put channel. Right. If channel, we'll do that. We'll compile this. You're gonna unsick me. You'll be right back. Yeah, thank you. That means you're the one who sickified me in the first place. We have to send an angry mob to his house. Hope you'll get well soon. Yeah, I do too, man. It's been literally what? I got sick. I had like a sore throat. Then I got pink eye. Then I got pneumonia. What is going on? It's the worst. I got pneumonia. I feel like a little old man. And then I realized I was. No. One day I'm just going to be on the porch and be like, bye everybody. My whole hand's going to dissipate and become one with the wind. Warning, walking. Ah, that's why right here. Collision channel. That's what we want. That's what we want. You're a healer, dude? So do you ever get sick or what? He's obviously a damager. Ah, that's true. He does got a sword. Any progress on the game? Dude, I haven't been able to work on the game, but there's been some progress. There has definitely been some progress. So this is right now what we're trying to do is find a way to differentiate between the things we could potentially be hitting with as the character. Right? So if you notice, you won't be able to see it. But down here, we're getting world dynamic, right? I don't know if you can read that. But essentially, the idea is that when we hit these things on the collision, that means it's not getting this box component. But on the collision, you'll see like this box component here. The object type is a resource, right? So that's what we're trying to get. It looks like we might be hitting the static mesh. Let's see what we could potentially hit. The skeletal mesh, which there's no collision on. Static mesh, I could turn this collision enabled and put, no collision. Oh, yo, Supreme, welcome to the channel. It's been a while. Remember me, Hatred? Dude, you changed the name. I'm proud. I asked Google support about the case, and they only mentioned ID and not proof of address. I hope it's only ID issue and proof of address is correct. Oh. So everything's going well on your end? Well, not well, I'd say, but at least there's some progress into what could potentially be holding you back. I couldn't engage in previous streams. I was busy. Yeah, that's fine, man. I understand. All of us are making games here, right? We're all always busy. But thank you for even joining and saying what's up. Let's show collision. Show collision. Wait, hold up really quick. I'm busier than you, obviously. Dude, I'm the busiest of all the bees. There is progress indeed. Yes, there is progress. So what game engine do you use? I use Unreal Engine. I know it's Unreal. It's Unreal. So right now I'm trying to check. So what am I particularly hitting on these. That's a little annoying, low-key. How do you play with joysticks? That'll be worked in later on. Right now I'm working on the touch support for the devices and etc. But eventually it'll just detect whether you're using a device or not, and if you're using a device, it'll use that device. What is going on here? So, what I'm thinking is it's not getting a channel. Let's do a UE log. And we'll do S, and then we'll say other comp dot get name dot to string, and then we'll dereference it here. I was thinking of game development with Unreal Engine, but I got an i7 2070-70L and a Gigabyte GeForce GTX 6060 2GB. Can I also run Unreal Engine? So Unreal Engine has a minimum requirement that I think you can look up. Unreal Engine 5. So here are the minimum requirements. Graphics card, any DirectX 11 or 12 compatible card. And that's on Windows, right? So if you can run DirectX 11 or 12 on it, then you can use it. But you want to make sure you have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and a quad-core Intel or AMD 2.5 gigahertz or superior. So what did you say you have? An i7? Yeah, you should be fine. You should be spectacular. Yeah, you have an i7. I believe that's a quad core, right? That's 7 cores. How many cores does i7 have? Oh, 4 physical cores. Yeah. So you should be good. It's quad core. Guys, can I get all of your attention? Unreal is 150 gigabytes. Really? Yeah, you should be fine, Supreme. Try it out. Try the BPs. I don't know if you're more interested in, like programming, writing form. But, yeah. You discover cheese can be both yellow and orange. Also blue. It can be blue. It can be white. Right? Sorry, let's run this again. Did you stop using? That's interesting that this isn't even picking up now. It was picking up. I wonder what happens. Collision preset, resource, custom. Pawn, I mean, I can overlap with a pawn. What is the difference between this one and that one? It's overlap all dynamic. This is basically... Pneumonia is like the flu, but worse. Yes, it is horrible. You can't move. You can barely talk. You want to sit in the shower all day. It was bad. Yeah. Snaz says Supreme. Depends on what game you want to make. Yeah, that's true as well. The idea is that, essentially you want a computer that can run the game you want to make that game. So if you're looking to make, a 3D game that's not too intensive, I think you'll be fine. This is on World Dynamic. Bueno says, I've been busy in school. That's good to hear, though. That's really good to hear. Yeah, I even have this selected as a resource, right? For Legion preset resource. Object type resource. There shouldn't be anything else. Let's look on the static. Let's see what the collisions look like on here. There's nothing. There is something, actually. World Dynamic. No collision. On the static mesh. We're still getting World Dynamic. Is it because the... Yes, Nas, it does. I got a new laptop, then downloaded the Unreal sample file. My computer is not almost full. Okay, that's good to hear. Oh, you're making a game with swords? That's sick. Yeah, my daughter loves Roblox. She's been playing the heck out of it since she's been home. I want to try something really quick. I'm going to switch that to resource to see if it's actually colliding with itself. Which it could be. World Dynamic, no. Is it because this is set as World Dynamic? Is the combat hitbox coming into play here? Which you use exploiters to take advantage of? Oh, you had a national test yesterday? How did it go? Still World Dynamic. It is still World Dynamic. It's coming back as World Dynamic. But we are getting the box. Which means it's hitting... Yeah, we keep getting box. So it's hitting the box component. But is it hitting this box component? This is so confusing. I have the object type set as resource. So it should be coming back as, like on here... It should be coming back as, what is it? Game Trace Channel 1. From what I know. Guys, I want to make a toast to Raleigh. You made some toast? What type of toast? Does it got cinnamon on it? Last time I downloaded Unreal, my fans were gasping for help. Yeah, Unreal is pretty heavy duty. Was it Unreal UE5? Was it Unreal 5? Because I know, like, with 4 anything below 5, you had to, like, automatically do stuff with shaders from what I remember or know, and that was always intensive on the graphics card for me. Yeah, in my Roblox studio game, basically, I can swing a sword, and depending on which body part it hits... Oh, it gets decapitated? So you're making like that old school game that all of us used to play as a kid? If you'd hit a leg, you can't use it anymore. You'd have to hop around with that. It's full on black. Unreal 2 was the best in my opinion. Unreal 5, I believe. True. What do you have, Snas? What's in your computer? Honestly, I might just put a freaking tag on these I mean, it has a pickup tag on it already. Yeah, we'll just have to put a tag on it. We're gonna put a tag on it. We're just gonna get the other objects. Yeah, that's what we'll do. New primitive, other comp, overlapped component, which is the actual component. I have almost like i4 worse than i5 and better than i3. Ooh, 8 gigs and a good graphics card. Which graphics card? But I'll tell you this right now, it's probably because of the processor. Yeah, my fans are going just fine. I got a 9.9 though. Unreal 2 was the best, dude. I don't even remember Unreal 2. I wasn't even making games when Unreal 2 was the thing. So what we're going to do instead is we're just going to, instead of getting all this and doing this whole if channel thing, what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to get the other comp. I'm going to get the parent. Was it a actor? Oh well, never mind. We already have other actor dot get tag. Is there a get component tag? Hey Anan, welcome to the stream, my friend. You're gonna switch to Unreal 2? Have fun. Not sound like a fun thing. Get component tag. Get components by tag. So this is just like get asset registry tags. An entire T array F asset registry tag out tags. Why can't I just say get tag? Actor. Tags. There's literally a thing right here. They got component tags for like the box and skeletal, but I just want the tag in actor. Array of tags that can be used for grouping and categorizing. Hey, yo, what? What? Oh, yeah, safe. I mean, he is allowed to come back, but he hasn't messaged me yet. No, never. I'll get PTSD again. What type of PTSD? What did I do? No, you didn't do anything, man. Be careful, Chase Lee. You could go to jail for that. You can. No, so somebody in here used to always say that they're chasing Chase. And that whenever they caught him, they'd be like, "I'm licking you, Chase." So he doesn't. He's a little afraid of that guy. Sasha, I love you, but I really want to focus on my game right now. This cat wants the rubs. She wants. Oh no! Oh no! Yes, Sasha. I almost dropped her. Fluffy tail. Fluffy tail. Can you get your fluffy tail out of my face? You gonna say hi to everyone? Huh, Sasha? Sasha lady. Yo, low-key, guys, I never heard someone call their animal Sasha until I called my animal Sasha. Now I hear it everywhere. The other day I was outside because we had a gas leak. And I heard some kid down the street screaming for their dog. Sasha! Sasha! Dude stole my cat's name. Sasha, my baby. Sasha, baby. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Don't you look so grumpy at me. You wanted to be here. Remember that. You did. Nice car. Thank you. We just need to get a saddle for her. What's wrong, Sasha? Cat is better than you at programming. Dude, I'm one of the best programmers on the planet. Okay. Watch this. Watch me program this really quick. Other actors. Tag. Tags. Array of tags. Yes! That's exactly what we wanted. It's what we wanted. Okay, so we want to get a tag. First of all, we're probably going to want to I don't know if I want to make this a part. Yeah, we'll make it a part of the base character CPP. So how's everybody doing today? What are you guys up to? How's the progress coming in your guys' games? You switched from PlayStation T to Nintendo T. I know. I'm broke, guys. I wear the same shirts all the time. Don't make fun of me, please. It'll hurt my feelings. One day I'll show up in a suit. How about that? Void. Do I even need this? Let me write it out. And if I think I need it, I'll make it. But I don't think it's... If other tags... Dot length... Size? We ain't even got no size. They ain't got nothing. We just return tags. Array of tags that can be used for grouping. No length, no nothing. What's going on? As I get older, I remember all the people I lost along the way. Maybe my budding career as a tour guide was not the right choice. Hey man, friends come and go, but they're just like Sonic rings. You only need one. Alright? You only need one. So if the num is greater than 0, then, you know, that means we have a tag. And then we probably have to write a switch statement for this. Oh. My girlfriend left a note on the fridge that said, "This isn't working." I'm not sure what he's talking about. I opened the fridge door and it's working fine. It's working absolutely fine. I'm sorry to tell you this, my friend, but it sounds like your girlfriend, she's not working. You're going to have to pay all the bills. You're not happy and sleeping right now? Not good? Dude, just close your eyes and count the chases that jump over the fence, right? 1 chase, 2 chase, 3 chase, 4. I wish I was a tour guide, but Hollywood was too weird. Yeah, you think you've met everyone until you've gone to, Hollywood Boulevard. And there's a naked man running down the street, being chased by some cops. I can't count. A girlfriend's job is to make boyfriends fix something. True. I had to install a garbage disposal the other day. A week or so ago. That was fun. It says I got a heart. Chase, didn't you ever take math class, man? 1 + 1. My mom died when we couldn't remember her blood type. As she died, she kept telling us to be positive, but it's hard without her. What am I reading, chat? What are you guys making me read? I got a good knock knock joke for you guys. All right, knock knock. I want everyone to, quick though. I think Raleigh is being mind controlled by my mind. Don't mind him, guys. Just go with the knock knock joke. I think this is gonna come off weird though, because everybody's gonna be super late. Who dare? Who? I said who? Now you gotta reply who, and I tell you, stop it, you silly owl. Stop it. Yeah, pretty good one. Pretty good one. Pretty good one. I definitely deserve some likes and subscribes for that knock knock joke. Who's there? Who? Raleigh, get back to work. Dude, you are not my manager. No dinner for you because of that joke. I haven't had dinner for 5 days. I've been throwing up everything. It's been hard. Yes, I am. No, you're not, dude. You're just some guy in, You're just some guy from Scotland. How about 5 more days? I hope not. I'm tired of being sick. I'm tired of being sick. I want to go outside and say what a wonderful world. But anyways, now we can just check to see if the actor has a tag. Resource actor. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. You're not very... Dude, I'm one of the nicest. Ask Snas. He'll tell you. Tell him, Snas. Tell him. Hashtag. Okay, so you have to look for the specific tag with that one. I'm trying to see, how do I add a tag to the resource actor? How to add tag to actor. Guys, never try to high five a tree if you have depression. My cousin done it and he got hanged. No jokes like that here. Though that's too dark humor. It's too dark for the chat. We want, you know. By the way, guys, if you want to join the Discord, make sure to click the link in the description. We have people talking in here every day now. Primarily Chase Lee, though, always threatening us. Always threatening us. Timeout for 5 minutes, Supreme. Yeah, you need a 5-minute timeout. Not a 5-minute. Give him like a 3-minute. Give him a 3-minute. Let it sit. He's like, no, I can't put no more jokes for 3 minutes. Let's see. Begin play. How do we add a tag? Add actor tags. What do you mean? You can't this tag, right? Array of tags that can be used for grouping and categorizing. Hello, we have a thing here that says tags. You can add tags into here, right? There's got to be a way to do this via... Oh. Duh. 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 Let's see if that worked, actually. Why does my name say ... on here? Yeah, I don't know why. When you click it, you know what it is. No, I don't know what it is. I thought it was because I was in streamer mode. Let's punch Chase again. Boom, explosion. Chase lost again. Ha. Be back in about 1 hour. Okay, Supreme. If I'm still on by then, I'll see you, man. I'm just happy to be back, guys, low-key. You have no idea how familiar I got with my ceiling. Laying on my bed. I watched all the Harry Potter movies, man. Gonna make my Roblox game. It's kind of cool. I'll check it out one day if I get Roblox. I assume it thinks every word starting with F is a swear word. Laugh out loud, such a dumb algorithm. Yeah. Fork. You can't say fork. And then look at this guy. Look at this guy. Get out of here, man. Just do the freaking Yoda dance on him. He can't handle it. Look at that little kick, dude. The best part. You're Darth Starkiller. You're not Yoda anymore. Don't make us jelly of the ceiling. I'm sorry. They're like, we wish we were there the whole time. Maybe I should have streamed my illness. Just make that a stream. Conquering the disease is what I would call it. And it would just be me sitting there like this. Babe, get me a water. Can you massage my back? Then you'd hear like a quick, no! No one ever wants to massage my back. Bullcrap. Alright, let's hit play. Go F8 here. Let's see if we get... Oh, we did. We done diddly do. We done diddly did, boys. There we go. We done diddly did it. Right. My enemy character. It's Adaptablue. Blue Pew. Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Viewers, followers, views, chatbots, etc. The price is lower than the competition. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. Flexible and convenient. Order management panel, other panels. Everything is in your hands. A huge number of custom settings. Go to stream bleep. If my friend are banned, we do not like that type of commentary here. We are not faking it till we make it, my friend. We are pushing through. We are doing what every other streamer has to do, and that's growing friendships and stuff of that nature. So I'm gonna click this button and tell you see you later, skater. How do you? Time out. Mod. Bam. Bam. Pneumonia stream. 24-hour. Film the hospital bed. Then you guys get jealous of the hospital bed. I don't know about that one. It feels good to be back though, boys. Oh my god, I can type and my body doesn't hurt. My body doesn't hurt. I've been streaming for an hour. Well, 52 minutes, but I've been up for a minute. Your server, don't do it. It's a trap. Let's see. Oh. I don't think I feel my legs now. Man, my bitrate is garbage. Look at this bitrate, boys. Look at that bitrate, boys. It's red. It means it's bad. But we're still streaming. Let's go. Please, I just want to show my game to Raleigh. I'll check it out, man. We'll check it out. Let's check out the 3D art. Hey, that's sick. That's sick. That's sick. Chase Lee. Is this what you just posted? Chase Lee, you need to stop messing with poor Buenos. I really like the style direction that you're going with the cameras. When are you going to start updating the actual player model? I like the camera movement. The hand movements, yada yada. I like the post-processing. This is so yeah, this is my Discord, guys. Make sure to join. Link in the description. In the description. Here, let me pass along the link to this. Sick to my stomach. Sick to my... By the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to click the like and subscribe button. I ain't frontin'. Why won't it let me click on the button? Your channel. I gotta post all these things, guys. I apologize. I apologize. So let's go ahead and check. Oh, we didn't switch. I thought we switched. I thought we done did it. We done switched up in a B. F8. Here, Chase. Chase Lee. Yeah, here we are down at the bottom. Enemy. So now we have that going for us. Enemy. Now we have to main character CPP. We'd have to make like some type of switch statement here. You can do better. Don't make me swear. Don't get him scary. Don't get him all mad. He's like a skunk, mad. He starts farting everywhere. That's why I always just send him you. It always throws him off. Swear! Do not swear on my channel! I swear if you do, you get a fine. 20-minute timeout. Yeah, we need to Chase Lee Studios, son of a... You can say son of a gun. But yeah, we're gonna check. I actually probably should ask Robin. I'll ask him some other time. We'll implement it. But yeah, we'll essentially say if this is greater than this, you know, and it's the enemy. I'll have to make a switch statement for each scenario. I can't Chase Lee Studios. You sound like Arnold Jackie Chan. That's like the ultimate fusion. Steven Christie. Hey, Steve. Welcome back, man. Don't be disappointed in me. I feel a little bit better. I took the 3 days off like you recommended. Just slept, hung out with the family. Currently working on how to differentiate between like resources and an enemy. Enemy now roams. Right. He now roams. We have an enemy tag on him. So the idea is that I'm just going to put tags and then do a switch statement. And then I could probably handle the damage particularly for each and every single one depending on the character. But I don't feel like that's... I feel like that's too generic. It isn't, what's the word? There's no finesse in it. I think there's probably a way better way to handle it. Something that's more universal. I've never done combat before. So, we'll see how it goes. But the idea is, yeah, we get the other actor, we check the tag, we see if it's either an enemy or a resource. But I could not even care about this. Well, I have to. I guess I have to. So what I could do... Yeah, what am I doing? Other actor. This is my pneumonia brain. Currently working through the issues at hand. You better not do anything. Okay, guys, we gotta sit here. Let's look at Twitter. Let's look at Twitter. We look at Twitter. Calling all evil creators. I'm not an evil creator. I'm not a good one either. Oh, it's interesting. Went with a more stop motion type of animation. First thing I do at a hotel. Huh? All the trees look the same. I can't wait till I get to the point of, like, this point someday. I saw Noita. That's very cute. Who's Noita? Really cool. Noita? I haven't played Noita. I know the brand though. He just threw that house. That looks fun. Poby? Who's Poby? Alright, I'm bored. I'm gonna go back to working. Chase lost his chance. Other actor. We're gonna see if the other actor has... So first of all, on hit, we are going to get a health component. A U health component. Other health comp. Right? And we're gonna say equals other actor dot get components by tag, and then we'll say, hold up guys, give me by tag component class F name tag. We don't want by tag. Get component. Hold up. Yes, sweetheart. It's 11:14. I'll make you some food at around 12, okay? That's a couple more minutes. Yeah. Alright. Then we'll make you something. We'll go down there and look what you got. Maybe I'll make you pot pie. Chicken pot pie. You don't want that again? You do? Okay. Then that's what we'll make you in about an hour. Alright, sweetie? Alright, give me a kiss. Go play, go have fun. I've had enough! Get component by class. Curly braces. You health component. And then we can essentially enshroud this in here. And if there's a health component, then we can do damage. Right? I did. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom. Raleigh, you're on mute, big brain. Dude, I am big brain. I haven't been on mute. I just haven't been talking. Low-key, my lower back really hurts, yo. My lower back really hurts. We're gonna have to figure out how we're going to do damage on stuff. How do we pause the game? How do we pause the game? Trying to see like if I'm even doing damage. Oh, this is on overlap end. What am I doing? Bam, 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 bam. It's alright, Chase Lee. There's more cookies in the cookie jar, dude. What type of cookies, though? Ain't be no oatmeal raisin. Better be no oatmeal raisin. I'm gonna be some oatmeal raisin, man. I'm gonna get mad. I wish there was some way to indicate how much damage she's taking if he got hurt. Bam, bam, bam. I guess I could UE log. Damage health has been hit event on broadcast. And the main character, right? Characters health comp has been hit event. Knocked out event. So on the enemy here in the begin play. Say this. Gotta make some type of my enemy character CPP. Where is it? Another day, another dev stream. 100%. How are you doing, by the way, Corey? Guys, I'm sorry. What did he do? Oh man, it feels so good to be able to use my brain. Doing pretty good. I'm currently 3D pinning out the Pokeball. Nice. You saw that Pokeball opens up from the bottom, right? What is it? We got to... No. No, darn it. Hey, my enemy character knocked out. There we go. There we go. Chase Lee's revving up the engines, man. The fryers. Okay, he's knocked out. So... he's knocked out. My enemy character. Do I have the H? I forgot. My enemy character. We need a UN montage here. Attack. We just want the montage. There's the montage. Yeah, we just pass in a montage. I guess we select the montage somewhere else, maybe? Yeah, I did, but there's so many different models that also open it that way. I had it open, so I guess it's just preference. True. Buenos, you are very mean. Dude, I don't want you to be banned. I want you here forever and ever. I don't want you ever to leave. I just want you to stay there, stuck to your screen, clicking the like button over and over and over again. Come on, dude. Don't you want to do that forever and ever and ever? Oh, wee-oh. Let's look at the BPs. We have an attack, boom, 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 and then on the enemy AI Slithion, I don't know if we actually... Is it in the controller? We set the value types in here. Event tick, get current player. That's for finding a position. Sense to use. We run the behavior tree. BT attack enemy, and then we attack. We play the anime montage that we want. But this could be a different montage depending on the character. I'm learning how to use the export persona window in Infinity Designer. It's beautiful. Infinity Designer, isn't that the for creating clothes? Dude, stop stealing Chase's cookies. That's all he's got in this crew world, man. That and Greg's. And he doesn't have Greg's all the time. I use it to make vector files. Yeah, well, that might be a good alternative for me. Raleigh ban him. I can't ban Buenos. I'd just be rude. I'd be rude up in a bee. Bam, 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 bam. I think if he gets knocked out, he just gets knocked out. Right? There's an animation that plays, which is obviously so, but where is it? He wants it. Why not? Because, dude, I want him here forever. Didn't you hear me when I said it like the creepy person? Playing a montage. I got the montage up here. We want this to have root motion. Oh, he's back alive! Die! Die! You have to prepare food for the Gram. Oh, well, you have a good time preparing the food. Thank you for stopping by, Owl. I might get off soon here in a bit anyways. I gotta make my kid... I gotta make food for the kid, you know? For little Gwenny. Oh, I don't have it anymore. That is my bad. We'll have to do one for like front facing and stuff like that, but make sure we're open all these. It should just play. Oh, I don't have it set, that's why. I think I should be king. Calm down, Simba. So the real idea here is we have the knockout montage, but all the other logic is still playing, so we have to turn that off in here. I must go, my people. Goodbye. Goodbye, Chase. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being a part of the stream, my friend. I will catch you mañana. How do you unpossess? Until I return, which is probably 2 seconds later. Like, I'm back. I'll be getting off here soon in a bit anyways, guys. Trying to see if there's anything in here. Does unpossessed do the thing? Let's see what happens. He doesn't move afterwards, which means he is unpossessed. But he stands back up, right? Which is good. But we need to stop it. Maybe it's in the animation or the montage. I don't want to keep looping it. Do I need to make like a...
Bowser?
What?
I would like chicken pot pie.
Okay, I'm gonna make it here in just a couple of minutes, right, sweetheart? Let's let Dad finish this and then I'll get to it, okay? Alright. Well, in the future, I guess, like in the BP, there'll be a knockout state. Me. This is the simplest way I can handle this. On montage ended. If attack is not fired, else is attack on fired. So if we're not interrupted. Isn't there a way to say if... Well, essentially just say if this equals that, then knocked out equals true. And then in the Slithian BP, on entry, it enters into here. Actually, we go like this. And I think I could just put this in here. Alright. And do this. Did I compile this? And honestly, I wrote this completely wrong. Refactor, rename. B is knocked out. Yeah. I don't really know if I want this to... We'll have to make that better in the future, because right now it's literally checking every update animation it's doing this. Alright, it's checking to see if it's knocked out, which won't be good if we have too many. So if this equals true, then we can enter. So right now he switches back to the regular state, right? And then he gets thrown back down. So we have to have like a smooth transition. But other than that, I'm going to get off and make some food for my kid, relax a little bit myself. Thank you all so much for being here. I apologize for my illness, and I should be back to normal here soon, doing the streams that I promised that I would. I'm going to try to work on a devlog to release this weekend. I know I kept saying that, but I keep getting sick, and it's just as frustrating for me as it is for you guys. With that being said, though, I'm going to just try to put something out to kind of give you an idea of some of the stuff we did prior to what I feel we'll talk about in the next one. Other than that, guys, thank you all so much for being here. God bless. Christ of Nazareth loves you. And make sure to stay on that narrow path, ladies and gentlemen. Do not compromise. Stick with it. Keep walking. Keep pushing. Keep knocking. But until next time, boys, I'm outie. Peace.